Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. HandBrake package is available on base Ubuntu repository, so you can install it with the following command. Once installation is finished, you can search on the system's search bar by typing HandBrake or just by looking for the next icon. HandBrake will be launched as shown. That's it. If you have any question, leave them in comments.